Okay. Which topic now we are continuing is coding decoding. We'll finish all the models today. Yes. See, today question number 1. We'll go very slowly. If you have a doubt, we can ask. We completed all the models in previous class. SCD, TEF, UGH, dash, WKL. Yes, please answer, guys. You need options, I can write options. Option A, CMN. Option B, UJI. Option C, VIJ.
VIJ, sir.
VIJ, sir.
IJ.
C.
Which option?
C, sir.
C. Very good. Then see the next. Please, if I am fast, remain me. We completed all the basics in coding and decoding. Today we will solve up to 25 questions, or if possible 60 minutes, 60 questions we will solve based on it and based on your response. If the people are not getting answer, please rise and ask. Don't sit calm or idle. B2CD dash BCD4 B5CD B6CD. Option A.
Sir, B,
B2.
BC2, C3D, sir.
Sir, BC3D.
Please check. People are
Sir,
getting
option B.
sounds.
Option B, sir.
B2C3D BCD7. Which answer is correct answer?
Option B, sir.
Yeah, B for Bombay. Why? So very simple. 2. Next 3 you should get 4, 5.
5C.
Alternate. B. Next time C. Next time D. Again B. C. If there is a next series means D. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Guys, please respond if anybody having a doubt.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then next question. FAG, GAF, HAI, IAH, dash.
J.
JAL, sir.
The answer is
JAL.
JA.
L.
Yalla. Please check.
Sir.
See here. F, G, H,
JAG.
I. Next J.
J, sir.
A. Next is G, F, I. Then next thing is
K. J.
middle letter is static and remaining two letters are 6, 7, 7, 6. 8, 9. 9, sorry. Yeah. This is 9 and 9. Next letter is J. Then next one is K. 9, 10. Yeah. Question number 4. CMM, EOO, GQQ, dash, KUU.
H.
ISS.
HI.
Yes, it is. Answer is
ISS.
very good. How?
ISS, sir.
How?
MM.
Sir, C,
5,
3, 5, 7,
9,
9,
11. Then next 13, 15, 17,
17,
19,
19, 21.
21.
very good. Next question solve. Question number 5. ZEA5, Y4B, XC6, W3D, dash.
VE5. VE4.
Yeah,
VE4, sir. VE4.
VE4, sir.
VE7, sir.
VE2, sir.
VE2,
VE7.
sir. VE2, sir.
7, sir.
VE2, sir.
7, sir.
6,
3, 2.
VE7, sir.
7.
4,
2 or 7.
2,
7.
sir.
Sir, 2.
sir.
2 or VE7.
VE7, sir.
2,
7,
sir.
sir.
Now listen carefully. VE7 is a perfect answer. And this is wrong answer. See here. Z, Y, X, W, V. Then A, B, C, D. Next E. Then if you see here, 5, that is 26, 1. 25, 2. 24, 3. 23, 4. If you see here, what happening? 5, 4, 6,
Alternate, sir.
alternate. 5, 6, 4, 3, 6, 7. Next one. Question number 6. Yeah, please try this. QPO, NML, KJI, EDC.
HGF, sir.
HGF, sir.
HGF.
H,
HGF.
how? How?
17, 16, 15.
Numbers, sir. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13.
17, 14,
17,
11, 8, 5, 16, 13, 10, 7, 4. Do you
రివర్స్ సిడిఈ నుంచి చదివినా వస్తుంది సార్
12,
ఆన్సర్.
yeah, 9, 6, 3. Gap is 3, 3. Or the series consists of letters in reverse alphabetical order. From which we write A to M, again reverse na, like that. Question number 7. Please solve this. JAK, KBL, LCM, MDN, question mark. Please, all the 37 people, you should respond.
NEO, sir.
Your answer is
NEO.
NEO, sir.
answer is NEO. How?
Sir, last term next term to first term అవుతుంది sir.
KLMN. Then ABCDE. KLMNO.
NO.
Right. Next question. Please solve this. P5QR. P4Q. Yes. P3QT. Dash. P1QV.
P2QU, sir.
P2.
P2QU.
P2QU, sir.
Yes, correct answer. How? PQ, 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 PQ. Then R,
RSU.
S, T, U, V. Then the numbers. 5.
4,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Then solve the next question. Each and every time, the question order will also increase. DEF, DEF2, DE2F2, dash, D2F2, sorry, E2F2. What in place of question mark?
T2, E2, F2,
T2
sir.
E2 F2.
E2, E2, F2. E2, E2, F2, sir.
The answer is
D2,
D2,
E2, F2.
D2,
E2,
E2,
F2.
F2. If you see here, right, the series is 111, 112, 122, 222, again 233. Sorry, 223, 3.
233.
Like that, the series is going.
Three,
Correct
three,
answer. Next question, please solve. TSE REVE is written as NOITA CUD. Then what is the code for if TSCREVE and this is written as Everest EVEREST and this is written as education.
Education, sir.
Yeah, education. Then what is the code for Red Fort? Tell me answer.
TROFTER.
Yes, very good. Correct. Anybody wants to repeat? Okay. Good. Next question. See this and try this. Friend is written as Yeah, try and tell me answer. Yeah, what is the answer?
MGN
See here. F, F, R, P, I, E, B, N, N, D, Z. So how the answer is?
M P
So very simple, guys. F6, F6 means 0 increment. Then R is 18, P is 16 means -2. Then I is 9, I is 9 means +0. N is 14, oh sorry, E is 5, B is 3 means what here? -3. Again N means +0. Then D4 and Z26 means -5. The series goes like this. The series goes like this. That is 0, -2, 0, -3, 0, -4, 0, -5. Is it clear? So M as it is, N as it is, O as it is. Then what we should do? First -2, next -4, next sorry -3, and again -4. In the same way, what is the answer? Is MCN.
P బదులు Q రావాలి సార్.
Yeah, this is Q. MCN
Q
QON.
N.
Clear, guys? Anybody wants to repeat?
సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
Yeah, listen carefully one more time. F6 means alternate letters are decremented by -2, -3, -4 like that. First letter is F, here also F. Alternate letter I, here also I. Alternate N, here also N. Similarly, M is M, N is N, R is R. Remaining letters we should do answer. Sorry, alternate letter O. Here, remaining letter is simple -2. E -2, E is 5, -2 means 3, that is C. Again, next -4, T is 20, -2. What here? 20 -2, sorry, -3, that is Q. This is -2, this is -3. Next -4. So 18 -4, 14. 14 is N. Clear? Anybody wants to repeat again? Alternate letters are decremented by -2, -3, -4, -5 like that. Anybody wants to repeat?
No sir. No sir.
Yeah. Please tell me answer for this question.
4 5 5
45597 correct. Let's see here. Letter, direct number. P is 7, A is 4, I is 2, sorry 1, N is 2, T is 8, E is 9, X is 3, C is 5, like that direct coding. Now A is what here? 4, C is what here? 5, E is what here? Again 5, P is what here from first one? 7, T is what here from first one? 8. This is 455,978. direct letter, direct number. Solve this question, please. And this is a puzzle type question. Please solve this. All of you keep right. Please keep right. That is 3A, 2B, 7C is coded as truth is eternal. Please copy this. 7C, 9A, 8B, 3A. Is coded as enmity is not eternal. Please copy and solve. Please copy and solve. 9A, 4D, 2D, 6B is written as truth does not perish. Then question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. What enmity stands for? Question number 2. What is 7C? What is 8B, 3A? And what is a code for not eternal? Now please solve, all of you.
Sir, enmity 8B, sir.
Now please first solve all the puzzle. I will ask what is what. Please all of you solve, don't sit ideal.
Sir? Sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in third line, 2D or 2B, yes, sir?
Yeah, remaining word, remaining code, remaining letter. If you see here, truth is there. Truth is there. From 1 and 3, what is a common thing? If you observe here, that is 3A, 2B, 7C. 9A, 4D, 2D, 6B. What is a common thing, both of them?
Double, sir.
Nothing there, now.
Sir, I think.
If I written wrong, 4D, 9A, 4D, 2B. Yeah, here 2B here, sorry. 9A, 4D, 2B this is. So
2B is truth, sir.
cancel. So the truth is 2B.
2B.
Correct. Is, if you see first and second, is eternal.
Eternal 7C, sir.
Yeah, eternal is. What is a common thing, both of them? 7C, 7C. 3A means is coded as either 7C or 3A. Similarly, this is also 7C or 3A. What about enmity? And not. Here not is there, here not is there. What is the common thing, both of them? Not
2B.
that is
9A.
9A. Good. 9A. So enmity is coded as 9A. What is not? Sorry.
Enmity కాదు sir, not 9A.
What about enmity?
9A or 8B.
Leftover code.
7C, sir.
The leftover code 8B. Leftover word is enmity. That is 8B, correct. Then what is does leftover word? Leftover
4D
means 4D or
or 6B.
Again 4D or 6B.
6C.
Number 1. Enmity is coded as
8B, sir.
7C stands for is or
Is or eternal.
Then what is the code for 8B 3A?
Enmity
Yes, 8B 3A. Enmity
is
Enmity is.
is or eternal. If you see here, రెండు వరుసగా రావాల్సిన పని లేదు, ముందు రావచ్చు వెనక రావచ్చు. Means the answer for this is enmity is or eternal. Both are correct. లేదా is eternal, enmity, both are correct. There is no need to have a series. Again, not eternal. What is the code for not? 9A.
9A,
What is the code for eternal? 7C
7C
or
or 3A.
so this is a thing you should do in your exam. So these type of questions they will ask for 5 questions, sometimes 4 questions. All the next one. All these are previous year questions. I have a collection. Mild is coded as NKOH. Then what is the code for gate?
HCWI.
Is it correct, remaining people? Please write the answer.
Yes, sir. HCWI.
Yes, sir. HCWI.
How? If you see M13, N14, I9, K11, L12, O15, D4, H8. So if you see 13, 14 means plus 1, 9, 11 plus 2, 12, 15 plus 3, 4, 8 plus 4. So definitely the answer is correct. HCWI. This is correct here. This is wrong. HCWI correct answer. See the next question. Sand is brick. Brick is house. House is temple. Temple is palace. Where we worship. Where we worship.
Palace, sir. Palace.
Palace.
ప్రార్థన చేస్తాం, టెంపుల్ లో చేస్తాం. బట్ టెంపుల్ is what? Palace.
Palace.
Answer will become what?
Palace.
Palace. See next one. Yeah, this is a regular question and important. Please make it down. Please all of you write this question. Please all of you write this question. This is important and regular question, and sometimes they may ask in exam. Up to it, we did not discuss this type of question. Please write a question. All of you copy. How many such pairs of letters? This important question. Up to it, we did not discuss this type of question. How many such pairs of letters? How many such pairs of letters are there in the word guardian? GUARDIAN. Guardian. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word guardian, each of which, please all of you copy. This type of question we did not discuss at. Has as many letters between them in the word as in the English alphabet. Please, all of you copy this type of questions. We did not yet discussed. If all the people are completed copying, then I'll start explanation.
Completed, sir.
Please respond. All the 39 people, please copy Guardian.
Completed, sir.
Yes, all the people are completed.
Completed, sir.
Guys, please give response. This is important question.
Completed,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If you see this type of questions in your exam, that is, how many such pairs of letters are there in English alphabetical? As many letters between them. If you see these type of words in your exam, listen carefully. If you see this type of questions in your exam, how to do these type of questions is very simple. He mentioned that English alphabetical order. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. Please listen. Now, see how to do this type of question. Alphabetical order means A, B, C, D like that. G after. Listen carefully. G after. G after. The alphabet must and should coincide. Then only one pair like that. తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నా చూడండి అర్థం కాని వాళ్ళ కోసం G తో స్టార్ట్ చేసి నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్ ని ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేస్తూ పోతే నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్ ఎక్కడైతే వస్తుందో అది ఒక పేర్. ప్లీజ్ లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ నౌ. G after
H.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Is it coincide or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Again, listen carefully. After G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. N is coincide or not? Means
yes, sir.
from G to N, one pair is there. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Guys, all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Then after that, U after there is no word like that. U after V, W, X, Y, Z. No alphabet is coincide. A after B, C, D, E, F. No alphabet coincide. R after
Yes, sir.
S, T, U, V. No alphabet coincide. A after D after E, F, G. No alphabet. I after no alphabet. You should check forward as well as backward. From forward only one pair GN. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
From forward only G to N one pair. There is no other pair coincide. Is it clear, all of you? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
forward
Yes, sir.
completed.
Yes, sir.
Next backward. N after. N tarvata. O, P, Q, R. From N to R one pair. Once again, N tarvata. N after. O, P, Q, R. After that, A after B, C, D, E, F, G. Once again, see A after B, C, D, E, F, G. Again from A to G, one pair. From A to G, one pair. After that, I after J, K, L, M, N. No pair. After D, E, F, G, H. Again D after E, F, G, H. No pair. D, R after, no pair. R after S, T, no. Again no pair. So from backward, how many combinations you will get? How many pairs? Two pairs.
sir.
Total how many pairs of letters
Three,
are
sir.
there? As
Three.
per English alphabetical order?
3.
Yeah, 3. In exam, if he mentioned or not, you should always check forward as well as backward. If he mentioned only forward, you should check only forward. If he mentioned only backward, you should check only backward. Otherwise, you should check forward as well as backward. Clear, guys, all of you?
Clear, sir.
Sir,
Anybody
one
wants to
repeat, sir.
repeat? Yeah. Now listen carefully one more time. Who the people are not getting idea or clarity, please listen one more time. Again, I'm writing. First, write the word guardian. Then next, what we'll do? He mentioned that as many letters between them in English alphabetical order. Means you should get the next consequent letter. If you see after G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So from G to N, one pair consequent. Next letter రావాలి కౌంట్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తే after G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. N coincide. That is one pair. After U, there is no other letter. U after V, W. అవి లేవు కాబట్టి తీసేసినాం. A తర్వాత B, C, D, E, F. No coincide. R after, there is no such letter. R after letter. Again D after, no such letter. Again I after, no such letter. A after, no such letter. N after, no such letter. Means from forward, we are getting only one pair. Then check with the backward. N after O, P, Q, R. R coincide. That is one pair. S, T, U. There is no other pair. Only N to R, one pair. A after B, B, C, D, E, F, G. Again, you are getting one more pair. From where to where? A to G. Again, after I, J, K, L, M, N. No pair. D after E, F, G, H. No pair coincide. R after S, T, U. No coincide. A after B, C. No. U after V. So only how many pairs of letters are coincide? Next consecutive letters, only one pair and second pair. Means backward, how many pairs of letters you are getting? 2.
2.
How many pairs you are getting?
3. Okay, sir.
Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Guys, tell me, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then try one more question. Then only you'll get idea. Please, all of you try this one. Education. Please, all of you try this word. How many pairs of letters are there in English alphabetical order? As many letters between them. As many letters between them means you should check forward as well as backward. Yeah. Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, more than 4. Let's try education. Please, all the people try. How many such pairs of letters are there in English alphabetical order? As forward
Four,
as
sir.
yeah. How many pairs?
Four.
Is it four
More
correct
than
answer,
four,
remaining
sir.
people?
More than four.
More than four. Some people are saying. Please check it.
More than 4, sir.
Yeah. Now listen carefully, guys. Who the people are not getting? Please listen. Please listen. Yes, listen. E after E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. No coincide. Then after that, D after E, F, G, H, I. One pair is there. From D to I, one pair. I after J, K. No coincide. Then next one, U tarvata, there is no alphabet such like that. Again C after. C tarvata
D.
H. Nothing is coincide. Then next one, A after, no such alphabet is there. T after, no such alphabet. I after, no such alphabet. O after, O is 15, N is 14, no such alphabet. Then next C, forward only you are getting one pair. Forward you are getting only one pair. Then start with the backward. Right, N, O, one pair. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. So only one pair first thing. Then next start after O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. No coincidence. Then after that, I after J, K, L, M, N, O. No coincide. Then again, T after T, U, V, W, X. No after. A after B, C, D. See here, A after B, C, D. Again, one combination came from A to D. After again D, E. Again, one more combination you are getting from A to D and A to E. C after D, E, F. No, U after there is no such alphabet. Again D, E, one more alphabet. D, E, one more alphabet. Means totally how many pairs you are getting backward? Backward you are
sir.
getting 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 4. So totally you are having 1, 2, 3,
Four.
4.
5.
So more
More
than
than 4.
answer. More than 5 is the perfect answer. More than 5 is the perfect answer. Is it clear, guys? Then
Yes, sir.
try one more word. Try one more word. Try this word. Right, mobile. Please try this. Forward and backward. Try these two.
One, sir. One pair.
Two, sir.
Mobile 2, sir.
Has finished or not? Yeah, how many pairs are there? Two. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. All the people are getting two.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then what about Madhu?
Zero.
0.
0 pair.
Yes, 0. Then see one more word. This is important question. Try this also. Your favorite hero. No, my favorite hero. Yeah, please try this. Tell me how many pairs of such letters are there in English alphabetical. As many letters as between them. Option A. I'll write options. Option A 1. Option B 2. Option C 3. Option D 3 plus. Or you can write like this. Yeah, options are 4, 5, 6, 6 plus. Now try. Please all of you try. Balaya Babu. Yes, some people are saying 4. Please try all of you. I think more than 4 you will get. You can check with L. You can coincide you, I think so. No. Then try all of you. AB 1 pair.
5, sir.
AB second pair. BA third pair. Again AB fourth pair.
5, sir.
Where is the fifth one?
Backward UA, sir.
UA. U.
Where UA?
UY.
Backward AB, sir.
Backward.
A of Y Z A. Yeah, okay. Fifth pair. Then one more pair is also there. Is it pair you are getting?
YB, sir.
Y,
A.
V, W, X, Y, Z not getting na. After U, V, W, X, Y, Z you will get here. Again A, B, C, D, E. No coincide. Are you getting 5 pairs, all of you? My answer is 5 pairs. Anyone getting more than 5?
5, sir.
Yeah, dot. Only
Sir,
5.
YA आ रहा sir.
C are you getting? After B,
YA.
C, D, E. Okay, Y after Z, A, B. Very good. 6.
YB हुआ sir.
6 plus, sir.
7
6
also
plus,
getting
sir.
na?
Yes, sir.
After Y, Z, A, B, C. Not here. Only 6 only. How can we get 7? Y after Z, A, B. Not only correct. Only 6.
No, sir. 7 వస్తున్నాయి సార్
7 వస్తాయి sir.
Alphabet.
అక్కడ ఏవి
బ్యాక్వర్డ్ కూడా ఫ్రంట్
A,
Yeah, I'll write clearly here. Please see here. Balaya, BALA, YYA,
4, 5,
BABU.
7.
Yeah, now listen carefully. One pair is this one, AB, again AB, again AB, again AB. Then from you said that this one, YZA. This is one more pair. Again from where? ZAB. ZAB. From here to here, one more pair. Then again, which pair? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is the 7th pair? We already completed now here. We already completed this. Which one? A after B, C. No, na. Y, Z, A. Okay. Yes. This is the 7th pair. Very good. 7 pairs of letters are there. Balaya is very typical here. If you trouble the trouble will troubles you. That's why he's getting 7 pairs. Correct. 7 pairs is a perfect answer. Are you getting all of you? How to do as many alphabets between in English alphabetical order? Guys, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So tomorrow also. Okay, then thank you. Take care, guys.